Hi, I am Akshatha Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us check a very interesting and very effective simple scalping strategy. Yes, we need to follow one particular system for a long time. But when we follow a particular system, it is also very important for us to keep fine tuning the same to adjust to the market situation. As we all know, these days the market is very much volatile due to war and due to different other things which are happening. Market is very much volatile and the movement that is happening is very much unpredictable. So in such situations, we need to fine tune whatever system we are using so as to meet to that requirement. Market will not be the same forever. Change is the nature of everything. Similarly, in the stock market also, now and then the changes keep happening. So we need to fine tune whatever system that we are following. It is right to follow a particular system for a long time, stay with it and see how it works, and then implement it. In a short term, say in a week or in a month, you cannot see the exact result of any particular setup. But at the same time, you cannot continuously follow the same 5 years old system without fine tuning it now, right? So fine tuning your system becomes very much important. It has to align with the present situation of the stock market. So today let us check a very simple effective scalping strategy which you can use even in the volatile market. For this, we are using one simple indicator, that is exponential moving average, and we are using this twice. This is very simple, even a beginner can do it, but make sure you follow all the rules that I put out in this video. So without further ado, let us quickly get into the chart and check how this works. Here I have taken Nifty chart. For analysis, you need to take the Nifty spot chart, but while taking the trade, you will have to take it in the either in the call options or in the put option depending upon the entry that we get. Do not trade in futures because right now it is very much riskier. If you lose the trade, then you will lose more of your money. So trade in options only, that is call options for buy and put options when you get selling opportunity in the spot chart. So I have taken Nifty. You can also backtest it for stocks, for Bank Nifty and for other commodities also. So here I have taken 3 minutes time frame and I have taken the old chart, that is 3 months before, because we are not supposed to show the current chart as per SEBI requirement. So here I am using 3 minutes time frame. Here you can see the indicators. Whatever portal you take, you can easily implement the strategy. So here I am using TradingView portal. Just go to the indicator here and type EMA. You will see exponential moving average, that is moving average exponential. Just select it 2 times because we are using the same indicator twice for our strategy. And here firstly we are taking 20 EMA, okay. One is 20 EMA. Just go to inputs and here under length do it to 20, and you can also change the color here under style. So I have used yellow color for 20 EMA. Again go to settings of the next EMA and there in inputs change the length to 50. So we are using 20 EMA and 50 EMA for this strategy. Go to style, change the color and broaden the line so that it is clearly visible. So according to our strategy, we will look for buying opportunity, that is buying of call, only when the yellow line, that is 20 EMA line, is above the 50 EMA line. And we will look for buying of put or selling only when the yellow line is below the blue line, that is when the 20 EMA is below the 50 EMA. So the condition is when 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA, look for buy, and when the 20 EMA line is below the 50 EMA line, we will look for sell. Okay, that is 20 EMA above 50 EMA indicates the uptrend, 20 EMA below the 50 EMA indicates the downtrend. But when you see that the candles are moving just between these two, which means that is a range bound zone, so avoid trading at these range bound zones. So first let us just check the example. If you observe here, we just saw that the yellow line, that is a 20 EMA line, crossed the 50 EMA line and it is above now, which means uptrend has started. Now what you have to do, you have to look for a position where the price goes below both of these lines, that is below the 20 and 50 EMA line, and then it breaks the 20 EMA line. So the price has to just go below like this and then break the 20 EMA line. So the first condition is that the yellow line should be above the blue line, which is met here. The second is the price has to go below like this and give a breakout here. So this is where we take the entry. So you can take the buy side entry as soon as the candle closes, that is next candle will be our entry, and we will keep the stop loss just below this 20 and 50. If they are near, then below these two lines you will keep the stop loss, and you can easily go up to 1:2 RR ratio. And since it is scalping, you can first keep 1:2 RR ratio, and if within 10 minutes your target is not achieved, then you can directly go about and exit the position. So here you can see 1:2 is easily met. Here if you observe, the price just came till the 50 EMA, but it did not go down here. It directly reversed from here, so we are not going to take the trade here. The price has to go below this 50 EMA and then it has to reverse. Only then when it breaks the 20 EMA line, we are going to take the trade. Here again we saw that the price moved below these two EMA lines and then it gave a breakout, but the time is already 3 o'clock. So do not trade after 2 PM. Take the entry before 2 PM, and that too if you get this entry before around 10:30 AM, then it is well and good, the movement will be very good. If we go on further checking, you can see here the price came down, but it did not completely go below this 50 EMA, it just reversed like this. Another thing to be noted here, if you miss to take the entry at this point, you can just wait for the retracement. Whenever you get a retracement entry, that would be a very great entry. So here if you see after retracement, again when the price took support at 20 EMA line, you can see a very good spike, and here you will get a very quick entry. So 1:2 is achieved within few minutes over here, right? So even retracement entries are good. You can directly take at the breakout, or you can wait for the retracement and then take the entry, which is also very good. So here we are not going to take the entry, right, because the price did not go below 50 EMA line. Here if you observe, the price came below and gave a breakout, but you can see here the yellow line is below 50 EMA line, so we are not going to take the buy side entry. Here only sell side entry will be taken. Let us check one example for sell side entry also. Okay, you can observe here the yellow line, that is the 20 EMA line, came below the 50 EMA line, which means Nifty will be in the downtrend now. And if you observe, the price went above here and then came below, but when it came below this 50 and 20 EMA line, this 20 EMA line had not crossed the 50 EMA line, so just wait. So after this crossover happened, you can see here the price gave a very good retracement. So you can directly go about and take the entry here at the retracement, that is after this red candle closes, you can go about and take the sell side entry or buying of put options. And you can see here 1:2 is very easily met within few minutes. Similarly, here you can see the price did not completely go above and come, so do not take the risk. Here to some extent, if you are a trader who is willing to take the risk, you can take the trade. That is, since the price, this candle you can see went completely above the 50 EMA. So then when the price dropped, you can take the entry somewhere at this point, keeping stop loss just above the 50 EMA line, and you can go up to 1:2, which is easily met. So here again if you consider, here the yellow line was below the blue line, that is 50 EMA, so you will have to wait, but you can see the breakout happening. Price came below like this and breakout happened at this point, but the price is below, so you are not going to take the trade here. And if at all you see in the next few minutes the 20 EMA line crossing the 50 EMA line, and immediately if you see a retracement coming up, then you can take the trade. Here the retracement came, but very much later after this crossover, so we are not going to take the risk, we will get the trades. No trade is also a good trade, so do not take this entry. Let us check one more. If you see here, the price went down and here it gave a breakout, and the point of breakout and the point of crossover is the same. So immediately after this candle closes, you can go about and take the trade, keeping the stop loss below these two lines, that is EMAs, and you can easily go up to 1:2, which is clearly met within few minutes. So whenever you get these entries very easily or very soon, your target get achieved. That doesn't mean there will be no stop loss. Here and there stop loss will be there, but in most of the cases you will get the good movement and you'll be able to capture good points. But make sure you take the trade in call or put options. Now you also have a strategy wherein you can directly check the call and put chart and take the trades. So if you want to know that strategy, which is similar to this, but we are taking the trades in the call and put chart, we are analyzing that chart and directly taking the trade. If you want to know about that strategy, just leave it in the comment. I'll do a video on the same. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, do join my free Telegram channel using the link that is given in the description. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.